Number 26, blast, from book 3. Again, means nothing to you, but surely means a lot to me. Number 1, shapes that tessellate fit together without any spaces. Which shape on the sheet does not tessellate? So, it should be obvious to you. It should be obvious to you. Shapes that tessellate fit together without any spaces. Which shape on the sheet does not tessellate? Number 2. We have an A, a B, and a C. All the things in group A are blugs. None of the things in group B are blugs. Which 2 things in group C are blugs? And it has to contain a certain shape. Number 3. Not on your paper, so you'll need to listen. Number 3. Add the digits in 72. Will 3 divide into it without leaving a remainder? Or you could get your calculator and divide 72 by 3 and see if it comes out evenly. Number 4. Round this number to the nearest 100. Round 2,950 to the nearest 100. Number 5. Not on your paper. When we square a number, we multiply it by itself. What is 3 squared? What is 3 squared? Number 6. What is the best, the shortest or simplest way of writing 4 kilometers, 700 meters in decimal form? 4 kilometers, 700 meters in decimal form. Number 7. 250 milliliters equals a quarter of a liter. What fraction of a liter is 750 milliliters? Number 7 again. 250 milliliters equals 1/4 of a liter. What fraction of a liter is 150 milliliters? 8 through 13 are dealing with this right there. Question number 8. The square grid is made up of 100 squares. 7 are shaded. What fraction is shaded? What fraction is shaded? Number 9. What fraction is unshaded? What fraction is unshaded? Question 10. Write the fraction that is shaded as a decimal. Write the fraction that is shaded as a decimal. Number 11. Write the fraction that is unshaded as a decimal. Write the fraction that is unshaded as a decimal. Number 12. Write the fraction shaded as a percent. Write the fraction that is shaded as a percent. Number 13. Write the fraction unshaded as a percent. Write the fraction that is unshaded as a percent. Number 14 are dealing with these numbers on your paper. Listen to the clues and figure out the number that I'm thinking of. So cross the numbers out as we go. Clue number 1. It is an odd number. It is an odd number. Clue number 2. It is a single digit number. It is a single digit number. Clue number 3. 3 divides into it evenly. 3 divides into it evenly. And number 4, it's more than half a dozen. It's more than half a dozen. Write the answer up on line 14. Number 15. Which shape's area can you find by multiplying the base by the height and dividing it by 2. Which shape's area can you find by multiplying the base by the height and dividing it by 2? Our last 4 questions are dealing with that right there. Question 16, on which would you weigh yourself? On which would you weigh yourself? Number 17, which tells the time using a big hand and a little hand? Which tells the time using a big hand and a little hand? Number 18, which measures the temperature? Which measures the temperature? Number 19, which tells you how far you've been on a trip in the car? Which tells you how far you've been on a trip in the car? And number 20, on which could you make a triangle using rubber bands? On which could you make a triangle using rubber bands?